Hello peeps, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a custom range slider. So currently on my screen you can see that I have already implemented that. You can slide it on the left hand side, right hand side, and here I have a marker and it is also showing some percentage of the value. And one important thing is that it is also changing the color dynamically once you are increasing or decreasing. For example, here different color, and in the starting there is different color. So this is really simple, and this is just helping you to improve the design of your website. So I have only used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I have already written a blog post. You only need to copy and paste the code, but first of all you need to follow the steps which I am showing you here, and then later on I will also add some more things to this, that how you can modify some features which you don't require or maybe you have required. So let's go to the server. First of all, I have XAMPP server. I have already started that server. Then after, you should go to XAMPP folder. Here you can see that XAMPP, and then I have htdocs. Inside of it I have projects. Let's see, I am going to create a new folder which is, for example, range. So inside of range folder I am going to add a new HTML file. So first say example range dash element dot html. All right, and inside of it I need to write I need to copy and paste the code which is over here. So let's see, for example, I have copied this code, and then after I have pasted it here, save the changes. I also needed one CSS file, and for that, for example, I have this step, create a file style.css. so let's go to again this folder, and here I have to create a new file which is like style.css, and inside of it I need to paste that code which I mentioned you. So here I have that code. So I need to copy all the way down, and then after I need to paste it here. So you need to save these changes, and then after, if you are going to range-element.html, and here you can see that I have already included style.css here. I have written some jQuery, and for that I need to add the library which is jQuery.min.js, and then after I have added some input values, for example these ones, and then all the CSS I have added here. So because of which I can able to use that specific element. So let's run this onto our server. So I have localhost, then projects. Inside of projects I have one more folder which I have created, that is named as range. Inside of range-element.html, and here we go. So now you can see that if I am increasing or decreasing, then you can see that the percentage value is over there. So let me show you how it will work. So if we are doing any console log, then we can also see its value. For example, I am inspecting it, and let's see in the browser. So in the console, first example, I have this code, and here you can see that range percentage, that is each single value of the range. And here I am writing console.log, then I have range percentage here. So let me copy it and then paste it here, and then after, here is the variable. So let's refresh this page again, and here we go. Now you can see that range percentage value is displaying in the console. So this is really simple. You can debug the issue, you can actually improve this, you can do whatever you wanted to do using this specific value. All right, so basically if we are understanding the code is working like this. For example, I have input type range, then minimum value, that is 0, and maximum is 5000. If you want, you can also reduce it to 100 for example. And let me refresh this page again, and you will see that the value is increasing like 55%, 20%, 60%. So this is how it will work. And if you are going to directly a specific step, then it will also increase and decrease. All right, so then after, we have this algorithm actually, which is actually helping us to understand the thing. So the thing is, like, I have max value and percentage, and accordingly its width is increasing, and that specific circular picker is actually moving according to these specific values. All right, so this is very simple. So I think that if you have needed this kind of feature into your website, then you can just copy and paste the code and then you are done. Finally, we implemented this feature onto our web page. And if you are thinking this video was useful, then please like this video and also subscribe this channel. If you have any project to work on where we have to do some coding related stuff, so I'm ready to help you out with that. So feel free to connect me on my WhatsApp or maybe email, because I have added the contact details below in the description. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.